eat, your body breaks down food to a form it can use to build and nourish cells and provide energy. This process is called digestion. Your digestive system is a series of hollow organs joined in a long, twisting tube. It runs from your mouth all the way to your anus and includes your esophagus, your stomach, your small and large intestines, your liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. They produce juices to help digestion.
Fiber is so vital for so many different reasons. Fiber helps clean the digestive tract and keeps the food moving through the system. Soluble fiber specifically helps absorb into the bloodstream to help keep your arteries clean and wash out that buildup of calcium and bad cholesterol. One of the reasons why Americans are so deficient is fiber is removed from the foods because it has a short shelf life. So let's talk about some herbs that help with digestion.
That sounds good. Coriander. Coriander is native to southeastern Europe and grows extensively all over Europe, Middle East, China, India, and Turkey. It is recognized as cilantro in the West. The seeds measure about 4 to 6 millimeters in diameter with a central hollow cavity containing 2 vertical vitae containing important essential oils.
As in other spices, coriander is rich in dietary fiber. 100 grams of seeds provides about 42 grams of soluble fiber. Much of this fiber is also inert and soluble fiber, which helps increase bulk of the food by absorbing water throughout the digestive system and help easing constipation. It's also known as a very heavy metal detoxifier to help your body get rid of heavy metals. In addition, dietary fibers bind to bile salts produced from the cholesterol and decrease their reabsorption in the colon. This helps lower your bad cholesterol levels, your LDL. Together with flavonoid and antioxidants, fiber composition of the coriander helps protect the colon and the mucous membranes from cancer. This is a very powerful food and should be added as a regular dietary supplement.
There's multiple ways to add it, right?
Absolutely. This seed contains oils that offer high levels of cell-protecting antioxidants. It also works like an antispasmodic drug, relaxing contractive digestive muscles that cause discomfort from disorders like IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome. Use coriander in hearty stews or in spice rubs and roasts, and it really adds a great flavor to your food.
Yeah, it smells and tastes pretty good too.
Absolutely.
Damiana leaf. Damiana grows wild in subtropical regions of the Americas and Africa and is widely used in traditional medicine as an anti-cough medicine, diuretic, which means increasing urine flow, and an aphrodisiac.
In traditional Mexican culture, Damiana is used as gastrointestinal orders. Damiana extract has been shown to have antibacterial activity against gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria, which may have gastrointestinal effects. Damiana appears in the US FDA as GRAS, which is known as generally recognized as safe. It's widely used as a food flavoring. Traditional use is about 2 to 4 grams of dried leaf 3 times a day, or in the same dose, stepped in 150 milliliters of boiling water and steeped for about 5 to 10 minutes. Consumed 2 or 3 times a day has been used. 3 to 4 grams of powdered leaf tablets and capsules can be used as well, up to 3 times a day. These are traditional recommended doses for adults.
Plantago ovata, also known as desert Indian wheat and blonde psyllium, is a medicinal plant native to Western Asia and Southern Asia. Plantago ovata is a source of dried psyllium seed. Psyllium husk is the covering of those seeds.
Psyllium husk has been long recognized as an excellent means of getting more dietary fiber into a person's diet due to the high fiber count comparison to other grains. Oat bran also is a good source of fiber and has about 5 grams of fiber per third a cup. Psyllium husk has about 71 grams of fiber for the same third of a cup. So considering how dense that is, it's one of the best fiber dietary foods. Psyllium is well studied as a lipid-lowering agent and is generally modest reductions seen in blood levels of total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein. So it's a powerful food for anti-cholesterol. Psyllium seed is also used in the treatment of diarrhea, and it may help prevent or relieve anal fissures, which can result from constipation, diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, or irritable bowel syndrome. In India, the psyllium seeds are combined with fruit juice or stewed fruit. It is also crushed and added to oil and vinegar, which is used as a treatment to rheumatism or gout swellings. It's a very anti-arthritic.
Turmeric. This root should be included in as many of your foods as possible. It adds the yellow-orange coloring you see in most curry spices.
The health benefits of turmeric are almost endless. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, is studied all over the world. At the University of Texas, they are doing studies to prove the anti-cancer effects of curcumin. It suppresses cell proliferation of cancer cells. It causes apoptosis or cell suicide of lung cancer cells. Also effective against myelomas or pancreatic cancers. It's very, very anti-inflammatory, which also means it's very powerful pain-fighting food. We call that COX-2 inhibitors. Turmeric also improves the liver's ability to detoxify and has been able to show improvement in people with Alzheimer's.
Wow.
Definitely something you should add to your food more often.
This is a powerful root.
I agree.
Hi guys, welcome to Eat Indian channel, and today we will make super simple and really delicious, full of flavor Malabar chicken curry. Goes great with rice. So for this you will require 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let your oil heat up and then go ahead and add your spices. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 dried red chili. Let your spices heat up and then add dried and crushed curry leaves, 1 tablespoon. Let your spices fry and then go ahead and add 1 small chopped onion, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and half an inch piece of ginger chopped. So adding our onions, ginger and garlic, and we'll fry everything well together. Give them about 2 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and add our chicken pieces, and we will let chicken seal or become white so that it remains moist when you eat it. So just frying our chicken here for 2 minutes. Let it get well blended with the spices. Our chicken has sealed almost. You can see it is white. So now we'll go ahead and add our other spices. So turmeric 1 teaspoon and salt as per taste. Mixing in these spices well, and we'll go ahead and add 1 can of coconut milk. You can use any brand of your choice, and we'll let everything simmer together for 10-15 minutes or until chicken is completely done. Keep stirring your curry in between so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. After about 10 to 12 minutes, you will notice that chicken is done. Go ahead, check it and make sure it's well cooked from inside as well. Now you can go ahead and serve this curry over rice or enjoy it with naan or parantha. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe video, and will give this recipe a try soon. Let me know how it turns out for you, and keep watching Eat East Indian channel. We will bring around more exciting recipes for you. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you for watching our show, Spice of Life. Now you're ready to start spicing up your life. Think about adding these healing spices to your everyday meals. Be creative, daring, and don't be afraid to try something new.